Today, companies want efficient employer services from a single source with the ability to simply view and manage employee benefits in real time. That's exactly what Employer Focus does. Employer Focus is a single-source online solution that provides you and your employees with real-time access to the information needed to administer employee benefits. Let's log in as an employee and review the Employer Focus workspace. Employer Focus provides employees with the ability to self-service their benefits administration. It is a clear, concise, online platform always available to them for information on their benefits offering. Notice the similarities in the Employee and Group Administrator view. My Account, Home icon, My Information, My Resources, My Tools. Let's begin with the My Information tab. This is where employees can view their profile and benefits information under their own dashboard. Employees can also update beneficiary information, submit life events, and more. The My Resources menu allows employees to view resources available to them, such as documents, links, news, the company directory, and more. The My Tools tab contains a link to healthgrades.com to assist in finding PCP information. The dashboard will display news, documents, and links posted by the group administrator through the Company Content menu. The Enrollment widget will alert an employee if they qualify for open or new hire enrollment and provide a countdown and complete by date. If they do not currently qualify for an open enrollment, their current benefit elections will display. Employer Focus is a robust system that is designed to simplify benefits administration for employers and their employees. For more information on Employer Focus, please contact your broker today.